Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you will need about 18 small carrot sticks, 1/2 of an apple, and 2 small dark chocolate chips. You will see that my carrots are off to the side, my dark chocolate chips are up on top, and my apple is in the middle of my board. I'm just going to rotate it so that I don't have any stems showing. There we go. Next, I'm going to dump out my carrots and get ready to make my spider's legs. My carrots come in different sizes and colors. I'm using rainbow carrots. That's how I got the different colors. I have some long carrots, some skinny, some chubbier carrots. It's totally up to you what kind of carrots you want to use for your spider's legs. I'm going to start to arrange my carrots so that I have 4 legs on each side. That's because spiders are called arachnids, and most arachnids have 8 legs. As I finish up arranging my carrots, I'm going to make sure to keep 1 small baby carrot, like this one. I'm going to use this to be the fangs of my spider. I'm going to break it in half and then shorten them a little bit by taking 2 little bites. Num num. Here we go. These little fangs will fit nice and snug in the apple. Next, I'm going to grab my larger carrot that I put off to the side. Now, your carrot can be a different color, a different size, a different shape. It's up to you. I'm going to bite little pieces here. My goal is to get 2 little flat circles that will be the eyeballs for my spider. I found 2 little pieces that will work out quite nicely, but one of the pieces cracked in my mouth. I know that's okay. It's okay for my spider to look different, because I know that being different is awesome. I've put the 2 little dark chocolate chips on the carrot chunks, and they look so cute there. I'm just going to rearrange the legs a little bit here. How do you feel about spiders? I know some people are scared of spiders, but I'm not. I think they're pretty cool. They work hard, they spin webs, and they eat nasty little bugs like mosquitoes that I don't like. Thanks for creating with me today. If you'd like to stick around, I've got a little bonus video you can watch. We're going to make a spider web to go with our spider. To make my spider's web, I'm going to use date syrup. If you don't have date syrup, that's okay. You could use maple syrup or honey or maybe even some nut butter. I'm going to draw some lines across each other in the form of an X or a star and then connect them with some circles or straight lines. And there we have our silly spider's web. Thanks again for creating with me today. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can find me on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. You could also subscribe for more Snack Animals fun. Thanks for being here. Bye!